Hey, I'm Brad, here with Wonder Guides. If you're traveling through eastern North Carolina, make sure to stop over in Kinston for one of our Wonder Picks. You can't Photoshop personality or a good closet. To that end, we suggest heading over to Leon Thomas Treasures to stock up on some Insta-ready gifts. Located in downtown Kinston, this charming shop features the work of over 60 artists. Pick up a one-of-a-kind hand-hammered necklace, sure to be the talk of the office. Grab some handmade tiles designed to help change your outlook on life. Or snag a "Be Good Y'all" t-shirt to help parent your kids when you don't feel like being a parent. The store inventory is constantly evolving, so if you see something you like, get it. It may not be there tomorrow. Remember, buyer's remorse works both ways. Got a favorite shop in Lenoir County, North Carolina? Let us know. Browse a list of all local shops online at visitkinston.com.